Hey guys, it's Ben from Currys, and today we're looking at 3 top things we like about the Miele W1 washing machine. It dispenses detergent for you, it protects your clothes, and it makes washing easier. I'm going to head over to the lab where we've got one set up and we can look at these in a bit more detail. All you need to do is fill up the detergent and this machine does the rest. It makes sure you always get the best results by automatically dispensing the right amount of detergent at exactly the right time. In fact, it's so precise, it could save you up to 30% on your detergent versus manual dispensing. All you need to do is load up one of these cartridges and you're good to go for up to 3 months. Your clothes are looked after by the Honeycomb Drum design. Its specific structure takes care of the fibers of your clothes, but also prevents any items from snagging or lathering. It makes it really easy to take care of special items like sports kits, silks and woolens with the portion capsules. All you need to do is pop them in and TwinDos adds them to the cycle at exactly the right time to give you the best results. If you'd like more information on the Miele washing machine, you can visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on our Shop Live video call.